So, world champion class CJ Carr is going to solve Rubik's Cube on his bike today. It's going to be awesome. Ryan here is mixing it up. But we got to get going, Ryan. It's going to take a while. I know.
It's going to be a long, boring video.
It'll be awesome. Alright. Alright, can I see it?
Right. It's all mixed up.
Ready? Let's go. You're not even going to look at it? Well, whatever.
I've never videotaped anything and rode my bike before, so like this is my first time, and it's really good. So it's letting you guys know how awesome I am. Ooh, trade some multi angles here. CJ falls and breaks his head open. Oh, did one layer. Switch hands now because my right arm hurts. Okay.